All right, continuing on with our stack and our new pattern, the rectangle. Remember our stack and remember our new pattern, the rectangle. I've shown them up here and I removed the fret markings. So now we've got all 5 patterns made up of all stacks and rectangles, okay? There's 5 positions, 5 positions. Here's a position. If you have a 4-string bass, just ignore these bottom 2 notes, all right? Here's a position. If you have a 4-string bass, just ignore these bottom 2 notes. Here's a position. If you have a 4-string bass, you just play the top 4 strings. Here's a position. Same thing. Ignore if you play 4. Here's the position. All right. There's only one position that has a note on all the 4 or 5 strings in line for a 5-string bass. On a 4-string bass, there's 2 frets that I have here and here. This is a repeat of here, right? So we're going to try to learn all these positions. And can you see that it's just made up of the stack and the rectangle? Here's the stack. Here's the rectangle. Here's the stack. Here's the rectangle. It's clearer to see it in some positions than others. Right here you can clearly see the stack and the rectangle. Here you've got 4 of the 6 notes of the stack, and here's the other 2 notes. Because as you move through the range of the bass, it's cycling around. Here's the stack, here's the rectangle split into 2 parts, but it's still the same thing if you put it together, So the relationship's the same. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. 1, 6, 5, 3, 2. And here's the stack, and here's the rectangle. We're going to expand on this even some to make some great patterns that are easy to remember. But let's see what happens if we... I've got some buzz in here. I can't figure out where it's coming from the drum set, and I've got the snare drum removed, but there's still some vibration, so I apologize for that. All right, we're going to start down here. I'm playing a 5-string, so we're going to start down here. We're going to go, we're feeling a pulse. Always try to feel a pulse if you can. Now, I'm still learning all this myself, because when I play bass, I don't necessarily think about all this, but you want muscle memory to take over, and then it's just all under your fingers, okay? 3, 4. All right, now when you're doing this, it's important to always know where your 6 and your 1 is, because most of the time you're going to be playing in either C You can practice it on 1 string. You can practice it on 2 strings. You can practice it on 3 strings and so forth. Whoops. All right. This is the end of this lesson.